Hi, Argeson on this side, and I have done the mandatory project on applied statics with EDA, which is Exploratory Data Analysis. So, because of the time limit of 5 minutes, we have to conclude in and complete the presentation within it. So, our first question wanted to load the data set and print the information, and then after doing it, print the missing values. So for it, I imported the pandas library over here for data analysis, which it is used for, and data manipulation. And then after I loaded the data set over here, and then after I printed the data information, and it required the missing values. So I used the isNull function over here and printed the data over here, and it provided me the right answer. Moving up to the next question, the question wanted top 10 countries contributing in the Netflix. Okay, so I have done these two things by importing the pandas and loading the data. It is the thing I have done in the all of the questions. Okay, so by explaining it again and again, it could consume most of the time. So I will recommend myself to move to the third steps directly. Okay, hope you will understand. So for that, I have grouped the country and count the number of the occurrence of it and sorting in the descending order. So for that, I found out data of the country and value count on the head of total of 10, because we wanted top 10 countries, and printed out over here given me the right answer. And moving up to the next question, it wanted the top 5 most popular genre on the platform. So I have done the same thing again, and then after I listed it in the string split by splitting it in the um, splitting it by the comma, and explode it in the value count, and by using the head of 5 I got the right answer of the top 5 answers. So moving up to the next question, the next question wanted the TV shows and movies of displaying it in the 2 row for each. So I imported, I have done the same thing again, and then after I found out the type of the data must be the TV show, and the type of the data second one is the movies. Okay, so I have done it and get the exact answer. I printed out over here. For this, the head we wanted is 2, because we wanted the top 2 movie, TV show, and movies. So I'm moving to the next question. Load the data set and find the oldest movie. For finding the oldest movie, I found out that the data type must be in movies, and the sorting it by the releasing year, and head we wanted only one because we wanted the oldest movie, and then after I printed the value and I get the right answer. Moving up to the next question, it wanted the all the seasons and movies and TV shows in duration. So for it, I just found out the data in duration, and by using the value count function with it and printed out the duration count, I got the right answer. Basically, it is an easy question. I have done in few seconds. And then after this question wanted to find out the all median, highest, minimum, variance, standard deviation of it. So for it, we wanted the answer in float, because we need to. And then after I used a few of the functions and the formulas over here, and then after I printed it out there, and we got the right answer. And then after, the last question wanted to find out the highest duration movie and extracting the numerical part of it. So for that, I imported the pandas as well as numpy, because we wanted the numerical data, and for the numerical data analysis, it is suitable to use numpy. So then after, for the duration of Netflix, we use the string dot extract. For that, because of we wanted the data in string, in series, we applied the formula that expand equals false. So then after, as type equals, we wanted it in float. Then after I printed the formula over here, and which is maximum of the title and the country, and we got the right answer over here. And moving to the next question, next challenge, basically loading the dataset and plot the histogram of the content of the releasing of data set over here. So for that, I imported 2 of it, which is pandas library and matplotlib, which is used for visualization. And for that,